Sabaho everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the best smelling cases for our brand new iPhone. Specifically the XS Max, as that's the one I have, but they do support other sizes. It's made by a company called LAUT and they're called the Tutti Frutti cases. They have one in cherry, banana, watermelon, as well as lemon. And they're supposed to actually smell like those fruits. So let's go ahead and check them out and see how they work. So here are the cases and here's the iPhone XS Max. So overall, these are going to fit perfectly. The 6.5-inch display, you'll notice they're all made for my device. And they have a little bit of a sign here that says, rub to release the fruit flavor. And it's intended to basically give you that sensation of smelling fruit on your case. Now, it does not release it unless you rub it, so it's more of a scratch and sniff kind of a technology as opposed to just it smells like fruit in your pocket all day long. But definitely a nice little addition to a case. Let's go ahead and start up with the cherry and we'll go all the way down to the lemon. And here we are. The case is actually not very soft. It's actually nicely rigid. You can hear it. It's a thicker plastic. And again, we have cherries on this one, and it just basically has the name LAUT in the back. And just as far as a fit, of course, this is made for the XS Max, so it's going to fit it very nicely. There is no extended lip on the top, so you definitely want to put a glass protector, as if you put it on the table, this is going to be glass on table. We do have an opening, of course, for the speaker, microphone, and the connection, the lightning connector at the bottom. Nothing at the top. The camera now setup is very nice because of the new design for the XS Max, where the microphone and the LEDs are inside of the camera module setup, the little hump that we have. There's no more additional need for it to be wider than it needs to be. It just needs to be fitted, and it's nice. Here, the Siri initiation, as well as the wake up button, and the volume rocker, and of course, the notification toggle. So pressing and holding both of them, I should be able to trigger it. Yep, still works good. Cancel it here. And of course, we need to make sure that wireless charging works on this. So let's go ahead and put our device on our wireless charger. Sure enough, it does charge. So no issues with wireless charging, but now let's see how this case smells. That's not something I normally say about a case. And usually when I do case coverage on any kind of device, the smell test is never one of them. So let's go ahead and go in with cherry and... So it has a hint of cherry. It does smell nice. It's not an overpowering smell. So when I'm holding it in my hand, let me just try to do this real quick. You know what? I take that back. If you rub your hand against it, it does initiate the smell. So my hand does smell a little bit of a hint of cherry. It's not overpowering that it's going to be such a strong smell, but it does definitely have that nice unique thing. So the second one on the block is the watermelon. For the most part, the construction and the actual feel of it is pretty much the same. And I'm sure it's going to fit us, yeah, very nicely. Again, looks very nice. Just the difference here, again, we went slightly from a more of a rosé or a pink color here to kind of like a light green here, mimicking the watermelon. And of course we have the watermelon, looks like seeds. Okay, this one definitely does pass the smell test, and I don't mean it as a joke. It actually smells a lot stronger as far as just smelling like a watermelon, where the cherry smells more like a kind of a hint of cherry. This smells very strong. Again, very nice, looks really good, and I'm pretty sure this is going to work same way like the other one with wireless charging, so there's no issues. And the next one is the banana. So again, same construction. It's a little bit harder plastic, so keep in mind that this definitely is not as flexible, but it fits your device very nicely. It goes very flush. All the ports are covered, and of course, you know, everything is good. The only thing here is you have the openings at the bottom. Wireless charging, again, should not be an issue as they're all made in the same way, and it starts charging, of course. The banana test. So this smells like bananas, not just banana skin, but like bananas like that you just mush. That's the best way to describe it. But definitely smells very nice, and again, will probably rub off on your hand if you do too much rubbing on the case. So if you're holding it and doing this, you're gonna get the smell. So now I have a little bit of cherry and banana. So definitely Tutti Frutti. It feels and it smells really, well, it feels great in the hand. Obviously it's pretty rigid. There's no real issues as far as having it in the case protection on the device. But as far as the smell, definitely banana. So the last case here is the only citrus-based fruit that we have. So let's take out the little insert. We'll go ahead and put in the phone. Again, same feeling. This one more purplish. It actually kind of looks nice. It's purple on yellow and green, so it really makes the lemon pops out. Let's see how it smells. Okay, definitely smells very, very nice, and it just has that lemony, wake you up kind of in the morning kind of thing. If you've ever done that in the morning, and you're a little bit sleepy, get a lemon, squeeze it a little bit, and just get some of that citrus in your nose. It'll just wake you up right away. And I do get that here. So overall, great cases. They do provide coverage and protection for the back sensors as far as the cameras. I would definitely recommend putting some kind of a glass protector on your device, mostly because, again, you're covering or you're protecting your investment. This is, I mean, this one starts at $1,100, or if you think about it with tax, $1,200. And if you're keeping that in mind, you definitely want to put something to protect that device. Overall, I want to say thank you very much to Tutti Frutti for allowing me to check out these cases. There'll be links in the description below for you guys if you'd like to check them out. And again, you can give them to a loved one, a family member, or even yourself if you'd like to just have that nice, unique look on your brand new iPhone XS Max or the brand new iPhone XS. I'm not sure if they're going to cover the XR, but that device is not out yet. So again, keep that in mind. Like and subscribe as usual. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you very much for the support for all this time, and I'll see you guys in the next video.